Introducing the Espresso Display, the world's thinnest portable touchscreen monitor that turns your laptop into a workstation anywhere. Thinner than your laptop at less than 5 millimeters, it can slip into your bag with ease. And built from aeronautical-grade aluminum that is both lightweight and durable. The Espresso Display has a high-res touchscreen that looks and feels great, meaning you can get creative whenever and wherever creativity strikes. And snap on our mount go to the Espresso Display to get that perfect viewing angle. Espresso displays are compatible with all devices and laptops. It's just plug and play. You can even connect your gaming devices for fun on the go. The Espresso Display is more than just a second monitor. It's a productivity booster, creativity enabler, travel companion that can be taken anywhere. The Espresso Display, your workspace and play space anywhere.